Hello everyone, welcome to my another unboxing video. And today I want to unbox this USB cable, Belkin. This good brand. I never had a problem about fitting the product that I bought from this one, this brand. I mean, you get some of the cheap one, the USB cable, and when putting it down doesn't go through well, even can damage the port. But I didn't have a problem with this brand for now, and we'll see. Let's unbox this yeah, two pack. I believe this was about 1 meter, 2 meter, I don't know, should be pretty long. That way, but I need something longer. The material looks good. The tape is some kind of made from the fabric. See, made from the fabric, you can see, and the tip is shiny plastic, this part. Let's see, on plastic, yeah. And overall, not bad. This is yeah, we'll see how long this will last. Two pieces inside, both of them the same. Okay, now this is we done this one. Okay, thank you for watching.